In today's economy, energy efficiency is a catalyst for growth. Not only does it improve the quality of life for consumers, but it strengthens industries, improves productivity, and drives investment. From agribusiness to manufacturing, energy-efficient solutions are shaping more competitive and sustainable markets.
Africa as a continent no longer is the dumping ground for sub-quality equipment that is not energy efficient, that is bad for the environment and bad for the end users.
By establishing standards and expanding access to modern energy-efficient solutions, businesses can reduce operational costs, improve supply chain resilience, and open doors to new market opportunities. When industries thrive, economies grow, and livelihoods improve, making energy efficiency a key driver of sustainable development.
The Energy Efficiency for Sustainable Livelihoods in Africa program is a flagship initiative implemented in the SADC and in the East African Community region since 2019. Its overall objective is to achieve a market transformation towards higher performing energy efficient equipment and its accelerated uptake in the regions.
Access to high-quality, energy-efficient appliances start with clear policies and regulations. Minimum Energy Performance Standards, or MEPS, provide a benchmark for energy efficiency, ensuring that only high-performing appliances enter the market.
Our focus areas looked at improving the policy environment, and with this we went to develop minimum energy performance of lighting, which is a long-hanging fruit. We went on further to develop minimum energy performance standards for household refrigerators as well as room air conditioners.
Clear labeling is just as important as strong regulations. Energy efficiency labels give consumers the information they need to make smarter choices, while helping manufacturers, businesses, and policymakers ensure market compliance. As part of the EELA project, a harmonized labeling system was created.
So on top of the minimum energy performance standards and the labeling process that we are now undertaking, we also developed e-waste guidelines to manage products that have reached end of life, how they can be safely be disposed. Some of them, how they can be repurposed or extract valuable minerals out of them.
Energy efficiency policies can only succeed if the people implementing them, technicians, policymakers, and industry professionals, have the knowledge, training, and tools to apply them effectively. As part of targeted capacity building initiatives, regional reference laboratories in Mozambique and Uganda were strengthened through training and the procurement of equipment to test lighting products and support regional market compliance. In addition, portable lighting test equipment was purchased for each of the 21 member states to facilitate market surveillance and conformity checks.
UNBS plays a very critical role in sustaining sustainable development in the region. UNBS provides testing, calibration, and certification services to promote industry, customer protection, and also regulation. The UNBS will be in a better position to contribute towards development of the economy, sustainable development of products, and also energy efficiency.
To enhance capacity building efforts, the EELA e-learning platform, with its holistic set of capacity building activities, was established as a mechanism to facilitate building critical EELA-related capacity in the region.
At Kafue Gold Regional Training Center, we provide capacity building to craftspersons, technicians, technologists, engineers, and people working within the energy industry, particularly in energy efficiency. The platform enables participants to learn in a flexible way. Combining that with a few face-to-face sessions has been quite impactful.
Private sector involvement is essential to building a market for high-quality, energy-efficient products and services. To drive this, the EELA project launched a technical assistance and co-financing facility in 2021, tackling key barriers that limit private sector investment, such as the high upfront cost of energy-efficient technologies, the lack of affordable financing, market uncertainty about technology performance, and limited technical skills for project design and implementation. Following a transparent selection process across countries in EAC and SADC, 6 energy service companies were selected to roll out projects in Kenya, Rwanda, and Malawi, demonstrating the impact of targeted support in scaling energy efficiency solutions. In Nairobi, Kenya, the EELA facility provided technical support and grant funding to implement an energy-efficient retrofit at Athi River Hatchery, replacing lighting, optimizing AC units, and improving power quality. The project, implemented by EcoPower, has already cut energy use by 14.5%, saving 376 megawatt-hours annually and reducing emissions by 37 tons of CO2 per year. Beyond financing, EELA provided advisory support on engineering design, contract administration, and verification.
If scaled up, then the impact can be quite big, because there are so many facilities, and I believe that their energy consumption footprint is also very high. Penetration of energy efficiency technologies that continue to be developed daily will be greatly improved if awareness continues to be created through facilities such as this.
In Rwanda, the EELA facility supported 2 major energy retrofits, one at King Faisal Hospital, led by ERE Limited, and another at Kigali Independent University, implemented by Stop Limited. At King Faisal, LED lighting, solar water heaters, and HVAC upgrades are delivering significant cost savings. Meanwhile, the university project introduced high-efficiency lighting, cutting energy costs by nearly 48,000 euros annually.
Everywhere, all over the world, they're talking about energy efficiency. This requires a huge investment, and that is the main challenge.
Without these programs, we will not be able to show that energy efficiency is possible. The impact is very significant. We have installed around 4,000 LED lights, including the solar street lights for outdoor lighting, and for indoor lighting we have installed the LED lights. From that, we have managed to save around 50% as planned.
In Malawi, EELA enabled Zua Energy to provide innovative battery-free solar refrigerators to 400 rural households, enabling safe food storage and medical refrigeration. The project operates on a lease-to-own model, making it accessible to low-income users. Meanwhile, Green Impact Technologies introduced solar-powered street lighting in Lilongwe's peri-urban markets, enhancing security and economic activity after dark. With strong policy frameworks in place, market standards adopted, and capacity-building efforts expanding across the region, EELA has laid the foundation for a more energy-efficient future, and this is proven by several success stories so far. Now, as the program scales up, the focus shifts to accelerating industrial energy efficiency, deepening private sector engagement, and expanding into new regions and tailored projects at national level to drive an even greater impact.
The idea is to continue the work that we were doing in the previous EELA, implementing activities on the policy level as having energy efficiency instruments as maps and also labeling. But we will also have activities on knowledge sharing between the 3 regions and activities on capacity building.
These pilot projects are not isolated initiatives. The insights gained will help drive broader energy-efficient adoption across multiple industries and across country and regional borders, also serving to foster collaboration.
The regional EELA project looks strongly in supporting industries to deploy energy-efficient products and services, and moreover, for industries to invest in the low-carbon transformation of their operations. This will significantly support the industrial sector to remain competitive in the region, but also through their international trade ambitions, by cutting costs of energy and to deliver low-carbon products.
We also see the regional harmonization of all the work that EELA is doing as very crucial for the success, in order to integrate the policies and make sure that it's all harmonized between countries and region, to make it as efficient as possible and to promote trade and results sharing between different countries.
EELA is contributing towards a future where energy efficiency drives economic growth and industrial innovation across EAC, SADC, and ECOWAS regions. But real change depends on continued commitment from governments, businesses, and investors. The success of EELA is made possible through strong partnerships. UNIDO, the regional energy centers, and the Swedish government are committed to advancing sustainable energy solutions. Visit the EELA website to learn more.